Pre-recognition rights are a tradition that goes back, wherein a trainee or a student, before their recognition, must undergo a rigorous ceremony called pre-recognition rites. It is a series of massive exercises given to the trainees to measure their physical bodies' improvement since they arrived in this regional training center. You have surpassed the challenges, therefore you deserve to be recognized. May this ceremony be the beacon that lights your path as you embark on this noble journey of service, duty, honor, fair winds, and following seas to each one of you. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Coast Guard Non-Officer Course Class 102-2023. Mabuhay ang RTC Aurora. Mabuhay ang Tanod, Baybayin ng Pilipinas, ng Ilagang Silangang Luzon. Mabuhay ang Tanod, Baybayin ng Pilipinas, at mabuhay ang Tanod.
Today is a day dedicated to acknowledging and honoring the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our Coast Guard trainees. The Coast Guard Non-Officer Course Class 102, who for the last 3 months have underwent their boot camp training.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Commander of Coast Guard Education and Doctrine Command, Coast Guard Vice Admiral Charlie Kilala Francis.
Naging mahirap ang buhay namin dito sa mga unang linggo, buwan, ng pagtigil namin dito sa loob ng training center. Namimiss namin mga pamilya namin, halos nalolo moral kami, kung ano-ano pumapasok sa isip. Ngunit dahil sa mga inspirasyon namin at sa mga drill instructors namin na patuloy na gumagabay at umaalalay sa amin, nakapagtapos kami ng aming recognition rights. Naging maayos sa aming recognition rights at sa wakas nakita namin ang aming mga pamilya, ang mga pamilya na kung saan ay siya ang aming mga naging inspirasyon kung bakit kami na dito sa loob ng training center.
By the power and authority vested in me as Commander, Coast Guard Education, Training and Doctrine Command, I now declare the members of Coast Guard Non-Officers Course Mangisalakan Class 102-2023 recognized effective this day. Congratulations.
Masayang-masaya ako at nakasama ko ulit ang aking mga pamilya, aking mga mahal sa buhay. And congratulations at na-survive natin ang 3 months na training.
As we are all amazed of how our trainees march in unison and wearing those snappy uniform, these young men have undergone through the scrutinizing eyes of their drill instructors, tactical officers, and the course director. From waking up early at 4 a.m. just to perform their morning calisthenics, to taking a bath in 10 counts, just to change their clothes in even faster countings.
Recognition Day signifies the culmination of individuals' dedication, a moment when hard work yields its rewards. Today marks a significant milestone in the lives of our trainees, the members of CGNOC Class 102, and we celebrate their success. Before us stand 345 Coast Guard non-officers of CGNOC Class 102 with different professions and diverse skills who have admirably withstood the challenges of their 3 months of boot camp.
sa lupa, kayang sukating lalim ng bituin.
Meaningful handshake.
Embrace the guiding principle of service above self as the cornerstone of your career, ensuring a steadfast commitment to excellence as you embark on your journey as Coast Guardians. I commend each of you on behalf of everyone present. Bear in mind that this occasion signifies just one stepping stone along your life's path. Persevere and lay the foundation for more success to realize your dreams.
On behalf of all the personnel of Regional Training Center Aurora, as Assistant Director and at the same time Course Director of Coast Guard Non-Officers Course Class 102-2023, kami po ay taos-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagdalo sa okasyon ng aming estudyante. Salamat at pinagkatiwala nyo sa amin ang inyong mga anak. Asahan nyo na sila ay aming huhubugin ng naaayon sa pangangailangan ng kanilang trabaho. To Coast Guard Non-Officers Course Class 102-2023, ipagpatuloy nyo lang ang inyong nasimulan. Congratulations!
Basagin inuwan aking damdamin, inuwan ng panahon sa mga kamay na salit-salit. Ang gusto maging ganap na matitigas, mag-alay ng serbisyo sa inang Pilipinas. Hindi kayang sukatin lalim ng ating bithiin, magpaglingkod sa bayan yan ang tanging kulayuin. Kahit anong manghamon ay aking sasalubungin, alang-alang sa aking kapwa di hahaya ang lunurin. Pagsulong at punos, ihilangin pataas, at aming sisikapin na kayo'y laging ligtas. Hindi ako susuko sa hamon ng aking buhay, mahirapan man, laban lang, madapa man, bangon lang. Itutuloy ko ang nakbang na aking ay nasimula. Tumulong man ng pawis at tumulong man ng luha.
To the families, parents, and friends of the newly recognized class, thank you for supporting your sons of choosing this path, not chosen by many, and for being their biggest source of inspiration in hurdling challenges of this training ground. Indeed, you are the fuel that keeps them going.
Aking susuungin matataas na alon, aking lalakarin malayo man padayon. Alab ng puso'y mananatiling malakas, sumasabay sa kumpas.